The ladies and gentlemen of the House should respect our constituents who are against the bill, who are for the bill, and those who are undecided. But we should respect them enough to give them an accurate record of what's in the bill. And I think it's time for some accuracy. We've heard repeatedly tonight that there are cuts to Medicare in this bill. There is not one cut to not one beneficiary anywhere in this bill. Medicare benefits expand for prescription drugs and expand for preventive care. We heard someone say that the bill increases premiums for Americans. Section 1001 of the reconciliation bill says that for a family making $45,000 a year, if you look at their premiums, their co-pays, and their deductibles, which is what real people have to do, the bill saves them $7,000 a year. We've heard that the special interest provisions that I think are an abomination are in the bill. They're not. If you read Section 1201 of the reconciliation bill, it says goodbye to the so-called Cornhusker kickback and other special interest provisions. We're heard that there is taxpayer funding of abortions. Read Section 10,104 of the underlying bill. There isn't. We've heard that this is going to add to the deficit and the debt of the country. Don't listen to what the Democrats say. Don't listen to what the Republicans say. Listen to what the nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office says, which is this. The bill will save $138 billion off the deficit in the first 10 years and $1.2 trillion off the deficit in the next 10 years. And finally, we hear the bill will kill jobs. When the Clinton economic plan was on this floor, a gentleman named Dick Armey, a leader of the anti-movement on this bill, said it would be, quote, a recipe for disaster. He was wrong. That bill created 23 million new jobs, and we should vote
expired.
If I just ask for 15 more seconds.
I give this gentleman 15 seconds.
And finally, we heard one of our colleagues say this bill will create a socialist utopia. No, Mr. Speaker, it won't. It'll create a decent society that every man, woman, and child in this society, in this country, so richly deserves. Vote yes on this bill.